What's going on, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this 4-strand braid on locks. So if you like to see how it's done, just keep on watching. Now, the first thing I did was separate it into 4 equal sections, okay? So we have 4 strands here. We're going to take the left side and take it over that first middle strand on the left, okay? And we're going to hold it there like that. And then we're going to take this right side and take it under that middle strand, all right? And it's going to hold just like that, okay? Now, once we get these 2 middle strands in the middle, we're going to crisscross them over just like that, all right? And again, we're going to continue. Left side goes over that middle strand, okay? Just like that. Right side goes under that middle strand, okay? Once they get to the middle, we crisscross them, just like so. See? Very easy. And then you can continue your braid, same stitch. Left side goes over, right side goes under, and once they get in the middle, we crisscross them, just like that. All right, pretty easy 4-strand braid. Stitch some more to show you guys. We're gonna go ahead, left side over to the middle, right side under. Once they get in the middle, we cross those strands just like that, okay? Right side over to the middle. I'm sorry, left side over to the middle, right side under. Once you get there, we cross them just like that, okay? And that's pretty much how you do the 4-strand braid, and you continue your stitch. If you feel the need to rewind this, definitely do so. And I have here 2 rubber bands, and I'm going to secure it right there at the end. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Do me a favor and help your girl grow. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this 4-strand braid. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. And y'all know I ride with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here.